I'm Amanda from Splattermate. We've just launched a brand called Fab Dab Do, which is fabric dabbing and doing. There's a kit, and inside the kit you've got 4 paints, 2 stencils, some tape, a pen, everything you need to do a stencil onto a t-shirt. What makes Fab Dab Do special is that every child feels they can create something. Kids are creating it themselves, they love what they make, and that's what's really enjoyable. There's so much paint in our little dabbers. They can go upstairs, get an old t-shirt and do loads more. So it's a really lovely individual thing. If they've got their mates coming around, they can share the idea as well. To dab is really fun. It's got an energy in itself, but also it grounds you, but you're having fun at the same time. So lots of thoughts go outside your head. You're just enjoying dabbing. So dabbing is really mindful. So many children don't think they're artistic or creative, so they're nervous about it. The stencil creates a pattern, but the child has the creativity to mix the paints, so that's what makes Fab Dab Do really fun.